Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So if you have ever made a decision in the past where now you are feeling like you're kicking yourself for a decision or a choice that you made, and maybe now in hindsight, you see that it was not the right choice for you or it was an error on your part, rest assured you are not alone. So when we make decisions in that moment, uh, we are only making decisions or choices based on with the information that we have in that moment. And sometimes we are making choices and decisions um, that based on our ego. It's coming from our ego mindset rather than really listening and tapping into our intuition to see what it is that we truly need and want. Sometimes we make choices or decisions based on fear, and then take a look back and realize that there was really nothing to fear, that we could make a different decision or choice. So in this moment right now, if you feel like you are beating yourself up for something that happened in the past, a choice that you made in the past where you wish you could have chosen or made a different decision, then do not beat yourself up. So first off is that everything, it's in the past. There's nothing that you can do about it. You can't change it. You can only change how you feel about it. And whatever you learned from that experience in the past, that choice, whatever happened in the past, that was for your own growth and understanding of who you truly are. Because we are on this path of expansion, expanding our awareness, coming into understanding fully of who we truly are in this physical body. This is all part of the experience. And if we can take from that experience into this present moment and decide to choose differently, decide to move forward differently, and with love for ourselves, with love for others, then we are expanding our awareness, then we are growing. So there's really no need to beat yourself up over something that occurred in the past. What can you do in this moment from this wisdom, this new wisdom that you have? What can you do differently? How can you move forward differently? How can you love yourself fully so that you can continue to expand and grow and become more aware of your beautiful divine self? So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time.